I'm going to show you how you can get rid of unwanted noises and improve your microphone audio in under a minute with Noise Blotter. All the audio in this video is coming straight from the application. So let's start the timer and get to work. First thing we want to do is get rid of that annoying background hum from the microphone. To do that, we just need to record a sample of the noise. Let's label and save that. Let's hear how things sound now. Great, things are starting to sound better already. But what about something trickier? What about keyboard noises? This is what it currently sounds like when I type. Let's do the same thing again and record a sample of the keyboard noise. Let's label that and hit save. Now let's hear what it sounds like when I type. Great, and that pretty much wraps it up. If you'd like to see how Noise Blotter could improve your microphone audio, it's available as a free download, so you can try it out yourself. Thanks for watching.